The Atlantic Ocean is home to one of the world's most chilling mysteries, and no one's fully explained it. In an area known as the Bermuda Triangle, ships and planes have reportedly vanished without a trace. One of the most famous cases happened in 1945 when 5 U.S. Navy planes on a training flight suddenly disappeared, with no distress signal ever sent. Some experts point to strange magnetic variations in the area. Others believe there's something more mysterious going on, with theories ranging from natural phenomena to legends like the lost city of Atlantis. So what's really happening out there? Simple science, or something we still don't understand? What's your take on it? Let me know in the comments.